Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun, classy Halloween DIY for you today. We're going to start with two of the wood rounds from Dollar Tree. The reason we're using two is because I like to make a chunkier sign, and these signs can be a little on the thin side, and I want this piece to be a little bit more substantial. So the first thing I'm doing is just painting around the edges of one of the wood rounds with an ivory color. I want to do like a black and white color scheme for these DIYs, but I didn't need to paint the whole thing, just around the edges in case you could see it. For the one that's going to be on front, I paint the entire thing ivory, including the edges, to get a bright white background for this DIY. Now, I want it to look a little bit like slatted boards, so I'm actually going to cut it with just a ruler and a razor blade, not cutting all the way through it, just cutting like little boards into it to give it some more texture and some fun. Now, for the bats, I'm actually using these window decals from Walmart. They're little black bats. I love how simple they are. And then a little spooky metal sign from Dollar Tree. So for the little bats, I just put down a thin layer of Mod Podge and then pick out which bats I want flying across the Halloween night sky. I want it to look like a moon. That's one reason why I did it in ivory, and I thought it would look cool with the bats like flying in front of it. So once I attach them with Mod Podge, I also go over the top of them with some Mod Podge. Now, since I had that slatted board look to this sign, I also go ahead and cut the slats through the bats as well to kind of go with that and make it look like it's more part of the wood board sign. Now for the word spooky, it's galvanized metal. This is from the Dollar Tree. I just put hot glue on there and attach it to the sign. It's not very heavy. I think hot glue will hold up for that. And then the other sign is going to go behind it. So I was trying to decide which one I should have the hanger on. You probably should go with the back one. I think I ended up going with the front one. Now to make it chunky, I'm using some Dollar Tree white rope. It doesn't really matter which one you get. I think this is one of the larger ones. And I go all the way around the edges and one in the middle so it's not bowed or anything. I add hot glue to that and I sandwich it together with my top sign. This gave me a really substantial sign. The white rope goes with the ivory color of the moon. And it was so much fun to put this together, and I think it looks so cute for Halloween. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more fall or Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.